Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to cancel your Arlo subscription plan. It's a straightforward process, and I'm here to guide you through each step. We'll cover how to access your account, navigate the subscription settings, and confirm your cancellation. Understanding these steps will help ensure a smooth transition, whether you're switching plans or no longer need the service. Let's get started and make this easy for you. To begin, you'll need to log into your Arlo account using a web browser, as cancellation isn't typically available through the mobile app. Once logged in, look for the subscription or settings section. From there, you should see your active plan. Select the plan you wish to cancel and carefully follow the on-screen prompts to confirm your decision. It usually takes just a few clicks to complete this part of the process. It's important to understand a few key points about cancellation. Your subscription will remain active until the end of your current billing cycle, so you'll continue to have access to all features until then. Arlo typically does not offer pro rata refunds for partial months, so plan your cancellation accordingly. Also, be aware that once your plan ends, your cloud recordings and advanced features will no longer be available, so consider downloading anything important beforehand. After your subscription officially ends, your Arlo cameras will still function locally, allowing you to view live feeds and record to a local storage option if you have one. However, cloud storage, smart notifications, and other premium features will cease. Remember, you can always resubscribe to an Arlo plan at any point if your needs change. Before finalizing, take a moment to download any critical recordings you wish to keep, ensuring you don't lose valuable footage.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.